Introducing the Woodworking Belt and Disc Sander by POWERTEC. This premium 2-1 combination sander was designed to maximize your workspace while delivering multifunctional sanding and woodworking applications. Amongst the top features, it comes equipped with a 1 by 30 inches belt and 5 inches disc. Both are conveniently located to offer an assortment of diverse functions and can be used in conjunction with the cast aluminum working table and mitre gauge, used for high-precision angle adjustments. Also, this machine is stacked with a sturdy, cast iron base that provides stability and minimal vibration while in operation. Premium 1 by 30 sanding belt and 5 disc. The belt is driven by an impressive 1/3 horsepower induction motor, delivering enough power to handle any small or large sanding project. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This sander machine can sand hard-to-reach places with ease. Additionally, the belt has a quick change and replacement design and humanized track control. Both the belt and balance disc are perfectly positioned for adjustability and finishing curved workpieces. Cast aluminum table provides ample workspace. Two well-constructed work tables provides a sturdy and spacious platform designed to stabilize and support various sized projects. Belt table diameter 5 3/4 disc table size 4 by 7 1/4 dust ports designed with 2 dust ports to optimize dust collection. The dust ports provide a tidy and effective dust collection. POWERTEC is a leading manufacturer of high-quality woodworking tools and accessories, machines, and an assortment of OEM replacement parts. We are committed to exceeding expectations while bringing the latest innovations, technology, and product development to the industry. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2 cast aluminum tables. 2 well-constructed cast aluminum work tables provide exceptional work support. Number 2. Tilts up to 45 degrees. Tables tilt up to 45 degrees to accommodate your workpiece for easy sanding. Number 3. Cast iron base. Cast iron base prevents the machine from wobbling and walking in use. Number 4. Dust port. Designed with 2 dust ports to provide a tidy and effective dust collection. Number 5. 2-1 design. Sanding machine is equipped with both an abrasive belt and disc combo, large enough and perfectly sized to handle an assortment of sanding and woodworking applications, and can sand hard-to-reach places easily. Number 6. Includes heavy-duty belt and disc sander combination flawn, a 1 inch by 30 inches sanding belt, 5 inches sanding disc, 2 work tables with 0 to 45 degrees tilt, heavy-duty mitre gauge, belt guard, and 2 dust ports. Number 7. Power. Enhanced with a quiet but powerful 120 volts, 60 Hz. A 3rd HP, 2.3 amp induction motor delivers 3,160 FPM for the belt and 3,450 RPM for disc speed, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.